Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams for beginners. So once you log into your Teams account, you can do this on the web. Of course, you can download the app as well. And you can start a chat with anyone. You can invite someone with the link. So you can click here, invite via link, and it'll copy a invite link to your clipboard. You can go ahead and send it over, right? Just paste it in to a WhatsApp message, an email, wherever you want to invite them from. And then to start a meeting, you come here, click on Meet on the left-hand panel, and you can actually create a meeting link, right? An immediate one. You just click here, give your meeting a title, then click here, create and copy link. So it'll be copied to your clipboard. You can go ahead and send it over to anyone you want. And as you can see, the meeting is right here. It will show up, your active meetings. You can just share the link as well. You can just click join, and then it will go ahead and pick up, right? As you can see, it's picking up my camera. If you want to join with your microphone, you can choose that as well. And you can just go ahead and allow, right, while visiting the site. So there we go. And now we will be in the meeting. So you can turn the camera on if you want. Okay, so you just come here. You can toggle it on if you would like. So we have the audio right here set to our microphone. And then you can click on join now. So now we are in the meeting and people will be able to join. Right, so here is the chat. You can see the conversations. You'll see the people right here. So if you're an organizer, you have permissions, right? You can mute people, you can kick people. So you just click on these three dots for more options on that person, and you can go ahead and make changes. This is to raise your hand. Okay, you can react, send reactions as well. Let's do a like. You can change your view, right? Gallery view, speaker view, and here you can change the settings. Now to share your screen, you can just click here to share content, and then you choose what you want to share. So either it's the whole screen or a specific window, you can do that. And this is to go ahead and mute your mic. So if you mute it, you'll see this line on the microphone. Okay, that means it is muted. And to leave, you just click here, right, to leave the meeting. So if left the meeting, you can easily even schedule a meeting, or you can join with the meeting ID. You go ahead and just paste it here. There's a passcode, you enter that, and then hit join meeting. To schedule one, you just click here, schedule a meeting. You add your title, enter the name or emails of the people you want to invite. Okay, you set the times, the dates, whether it's a repeating meeting or not, and you can add some details and save it. And the people there will be invited. Okay, this is the community section. You can create your community. You basically plan events, say organize things for like schools, businesses. You can use their templates as well. This will be your calendar to show the different meetings you have scheduled. Okay, and then you just click on the meeting and join it. And here you'll see your overall activity, people mentioning you, reactions, and other notifications. Okay, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.